Hey friends, welcome to my channel of miscellaneous videos. My first video since reviving my channel is going to be this craft room makeover video. So a little bit about me as a crafter. I do pretty much anything and everything when it comes to crafting. I sew, I knit, I crochet, I paint, I make jewelry, I do pretty much anything that you can imagine. And as one could think, that requires a lot of craft supplies, and my craft room's got a little bit out of control. So I'm going to reorganize, as in move some furniture around, get rid of some stuff, and I'm going to show you the before and the after. So this is the before of the craft room. Part of the reason why I'm redoing this craft room is the lighting is terrible in here and it makes it really hard to see what I'm doing when I'm working on projects. But I want to give you guys a little heads up of what I'm doing. There is a lot of trash and stuff in here because I've been crafting a lot for the holidays. So it looks like a pigsty, and it is, but I'm putting it out there for the world to see to keep me accountable. So this is like my sewing station. Those are the lights that I bought to fix the lighting in here. Has my thread on the wall, my sewing machine. I'm probably going to move that. This over here is my knitting and crocheting area. So this is where I keep all of my yarn and stuff like that. There's some trash on the floor that I'm working on cleaning up. And then I recently just moved this. This was on the other side of the room, and I'm flopping some stuff around, but I figured I'd move this first. So this is like my table. Usually has my monitors and stuff, but I took those off to move it over here. And I want it on this side because I feel like I can make this more of a working area with this weird knee wall. So I'm gonna move some stuff around. You'll see at the end. And then I have another sewing machine, which I think I'm gonna sell and get rid of because I don't really use it. Alex 9 drawers. I have some pegboards. This is primarily my jewelry making supplies. It's kind of chaotic right now. I need to reorganize the pegboards. As you can see, I'm not using a lot of my pegboard space because of these bead holder things there. And I have so much junk. Like literally my room has exploded. There is a little bookcase. This is a storage cabinet. Right now it has a lot of my like quilting fat quarters and stuff in there. So I'm gonna take care of that, move it. And then over here, there's my window, my mannequins. There's a mirror there that I need to move. And then I have these two wonderfully large closets that they look like they're spilling out of stuff. That's because I've looked for things and ripped everything out of them in the process. So I'm gonna move a lot of the storage stuff from over here to either in the closet or on this wall. And then I have over here in the corner, this is my other pegboard and some other sewing stuff. And I think I'm going to turn this pegboard into maybe more sewing stuff specifically, because right now it's just a mash of a lot of things that I don't use every day. And so I'm going to work on prioritizing what I use versus what I don't use. So yeah, it's a hot mess in here, but I will show you what it looks like when I'm done. I'm going to add a couple of time lapses of me speed cleaning so you don't have to watch me clean every little item. So I'll show you when it's done. So hi, welcome to day 2. It took a lot longer than I thought last night, so I didn't get as much done yesterday as I thought. Today we're joined by my feathered friend Richard. He's my cockatiel. He flew up here and decided to keep me company, so you might see him. But yeah, so I'm going through things as I clean, and so it's taking a lot longer, and you'll see some more focused shots of like cleaning off my table and stuff like that, because I'm organizing as I go through stuff. So yeah, let's get started. Alright, I'm finally finished and I wanted to do a quick video of the final result. I just want to say I am aware of how lucky I am of having this space, and I'm really embarrassed by how I was treating it. Basically, a lot of crafting events happened. I tore stuff out of the places that they were in, and then I never put it back. And that's how you get a disastrous craft room where you don't know what you have and you don't know to use it because you can't find it. And so yeah, so here is the final room tour. All right, so over here I have my one pegboard. I went through my little thing there and changed some stuff up in there, and then I have my watercolors and gouache. Most of this is paint, but some of it's other things up there. And then over here I added some storage to this and went through it, got through all of my bobbins and thread and organized it. It looks kind of chaotic, but it's good. I organized my drawers over here, put some stuff on my bookshelf. This is my desk area, cutting mat area. And then in this corner we have my beading and jewelry work area, my ironing board, my sewing pegboard, I would say. And then my Alex 9 drawers I reorganized. I didn't really have them used very well, so I have, you know, elastic, boning, zippers, straps, lace and trims, bias bindings, ribbon, all sorts of stuff. So that's a bit more organized. I'm not going to show you inside the closets because it's mostly just empty storage bins and fabric. And that's my yarn area. So overall, it went pretty well, and here's the overall view. So I have lots of space, lots of lighting. I installed those lights over there, and it's a wonderful workplace. Thanks for watching.